Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to sign in another Apple ID in iPhone. So as you can see, I've already signed into my Apple ID and now I'll show you how to sign into another Apple ID. First of all, go to your iPhone settings app and tap on your Apple ID. Scroll down and tap on sign out. Tap on sign out of iCloud. And now to verify your iCloud account, re-enter your Apple ID password and then tap on turn off. And you can keep a copy of your data on your iPhone. You can enable any of these options. I'm going to tapping on sign out again. And as you can see, my Apple ID is removing from this iPhone. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully signed out of my Apple ID. And now it's time to sign into another Apple ID, right? So tap on Apple account. And here, tap on sign in manually. And in this box, you have to type your Apple ID email address or phone number. So enter here your another Apple ID email address and tap on continue. And now in this box, write your Apple ID password, tap on done. And as you can see, my another Apple ID is signing in this iPhone, and now you have to verify your iPhone passcode. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully signed in my another Apple ID on my iPhone. So that's how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.